Svitlana, what are we planning to do today?
Maternity photo session. For 38, it's right now it's 4 o'clock and we came to the studio a little early to clean up. We cleaned, we got ready, all dresses are ready. She chose her favorites, all of the dresses are ready. And now I'm just brainstorming. Like I have my main poses and I always challenge myself to do 2 never done before poses or setups. I challenged to do 1, but today I'm challenged myself for 2 because the mom is beautiful.